Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, February 25th, 2001, 10 a.m. Why could you not catch us today? You just have to be on the wavelength of the transmitting source as usual. It would be preferable for you not to get involved in disturbing conversations just before our contact. The channel should not be jammed, as you know. You know how to clean the mind. It is only up to you to recover serenity. Plunge within and let yourself be carried towards luminous banks. This refuge where you can disregard turbulence and where your heart can catch written pages intended for you on the book of life. We leave these messages there, and you receive them in a state where time and your means of assessment do not prevail. We established this ritual at fixed hours for most of our contacts to make things easier for you. Your existence is regulated by precise schedules to which we adjust ourselves in certain circumstances. The vibrations of thought really spread at a speed you cannot really appreciate. As for imagining how our contacts occur, that remains beyond the understanding of most humans. Hence, the difficulty of admitting to this process. May open minds fully benefit from the results of these many messages. Babuji. Sunday, February 25th, 2001, 6 pm. My dear daughter, we would like now to start giving you messages having a totally different content. Scientists are very often mistaken in their assertions. In a century, these assertions will be outdated. Man will have taken a step forward in his understanding of the laws governing the universe. They will then become obvious to a great number of minds capable of understanding their real meaning. Significant changes will take place on the earth globe after great upheavals have occurred. Even the best established structures will be disrupted, and the elements will make life difficult for human beings who will have to face up to things. Another race, stronger and having a much more developed sense of extrasensory perception, will set up a world that would astonish most men living in the present. When the poles are reversed, they will generate great climatic changes. Men will need to adjust themselves. A large part of the population in its present proportions will have disappeared. The earth will start a new era best suited to its evolution. We will further elaborate on some of the mentioned topics, and you will have to note down without wondering too much, even though you cannot verify the soundness of what you are writing. These predictions should neither worry nor embarrass you. They do not relate to the present day, and a long time will have passed before all our assertions come true. You will need to trust in us and leave your usual doubts aside. These writings will long remain in oblivion before they could be made public. Therefore, if it suits you to consider them as fiction, we have no objection to that. Don't worry, you are not under the influence of any devious spirit. We will resume tomorrow the normal course of our talks. Be at peace. Be blessed. Babuji.